Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Revit Architecture. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master Revit architecture for architects and designers. We offer training in Revit architecture in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Revit architecture, empowering you with the skills needed for precise architectural design, building information modeling, BIM, and documentation. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses: Introduction to Revit Architecture and its Interface, Building Information Modeling, BIM, Fundamentals, Architectural Design and 3D Modeling, Parametric Design and Family Creation, Construction Documentation and Detailing, Collaboration and Coordination in a BIM environment, Rendering, Visualization and Design Presentation. Enroll in the Revit Architecture course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful architectural design and modeling software. For more information, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.